Hello guys, welcome to Sneha Study Channel. Today in this lecture we are going to start new video series, that is Indian Polity one-liner questions. This series will be very useful for students who are preparing for any competitive exams. So let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the person fondly known as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Second, first attempt in world to constitute a constituent assembly to frame a constitution was made by America. Third question, the first attempt by Indians to write a constitution to India was done by a committee headed by Motilal Nehru, which is known as Nehru Report. Next question, the idea of the Constitution of India was fleshed for the first time by M.N. Roy. Next, the plan of setting up of a constituent assembly to draw up the future constitution for the India was given by the cabinet mission plan. Next question, the members of the constituent assembly were elected by provincial assemblies. Next, which of the following words was added into the preamble of the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976? The word is socialist. Next question, from which constitution was the concept of a 5-year plan borrowed into our constitution? USSR. Next question, the procedure of amendment to the constitution is borrowed from the constitution of South Africa. Next, which country is the best example for the federal and unitary governments? America and Britain. Next question, which of the following is not a democratic institution of the Rigvedic era? Grama. Next, during medieval India, which king first established local self-government? Cholas. Next question, the East India Company was established in the year 1600. Next question, which charter empowered the British governors or presidents to make by laws, rules, regulation in conformity with the British law? Charter of 1726. Next question, who started dual government in Bengal? Robert Clive. Next question, who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. Next question, which is the first written document in the constitutional history of India? The Regulating Act 1773. Next question, which act created for the first time in India Government of India? Charter Act of 1833. Next, question number 19, which act created for the first the Supreme Court? The Regulating Act 1773. Next question, first law commission was appointed in India for codification of law under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay. Next question, which act made the beginning of a parliamentary system in India? Chartered Act of 1853. Next question, the Governor General of India was also the representative of British Crown to princely state in India and hence was known as the Victory of India. Next question, which act of the first time gave an opportunity for Indians to enter into the sphere of legislature? Indian Council Act 1861. Question number 25, which act made the beginning of electoral system in India? Government of India Act 1858. Question number 26, which of the following act made the Indian legislature bicameral for the first time? The answer is Government of India Act 1919. Next, the famous Dandi March led by Gandhiji was against salt tax. Next, which proposal was referred as a post-date check? The Cripps proposal. Next question, Indian National Congress started Quiet India movement after the failure of Cripps mission. Next, Gandhiji gave a call to all Indians, do or die, which is popularly known as Quiet India movement. Next question, which plan rejected the demand of the independent Pakistan? Cabinet mission plan. Partition of British India into two independent nations, India and Pakistan, was done according to Mountbatten plan. Next, the federal feature of the Indian government was introduced by the Government of India Act 1935. Next question, which feature was borrowed the Indian Constitution from the British Constitution? Law making procedure, parliamentary system of government and rule of law. Next question. The constitution supports rule of law. Next question. In Britain, Parliament is supreme. Accordingly, which among the following is supreme in India? The right answer is Constitution. Next question. The Government of India Act 1935 provided for establishment of federal court, diarchy at center and provincial autonomy. Next question. The Act of 1935 abolished diarchy in the province. Next. The Constitution of India was enacted by a Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Next question. The Constituent Assembly of India was created as per the proposal of Cabinet Mission. Next. In which year did the Cripps Mission come to India? 1942. The Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan had a strength of 389. Next question. The strength of the Constituent Assembly after the withdrawal of the Muslim League was reduced to 299. Next question. How many committees were set up the Constituent Assembly for framing the Constitution? 13. Next. Who of the following acts as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Next question. Demand for a constitution framed by a Constituent Assembly was made by Gandhiji. The idea of a Constituent Assembly to frame a constitution for India was first mooted by Swaraj Party in 1928. Next question. Who started the presentation of the objective resolution on 22 January 1947? Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. When was the objective resolution moved and adopted? 13 December 1946 and 22 January 1947. Next question. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by provincial assemblies.